scars of the falls he knows. The stage was alive, the crowd held its breath. The strongest stepped forth, prepared for the test. 11 stood back, kept far from the light, a place in the shadows, just out of sight. Deep in his core, a fire burned bright, a dream of standing just once in the light. He fell for their strength, he bore every scar, but tonight he would show who they truly are. Challenge arose, rougher than planned. Stronger legs faltered, none could withstand. Eyes turned to